Welcome back, fellas, into this new video to Express. Today, let's get started with the automation of Mailchimp. So basically here, if you're still sending every email manually, you don't have a marketing strategy, you have a full-time core, basically going to be showing you to make this process really fast. So in another tutorial, we set it up Mailchimp directly here into Shopify. If you haven't seen that one, I'm going to leave you that video into the description or here somewhere into this actual video. So you're going to be going to Automations tab directly here into the Mailchimp section. So we aren't using the classic anymore, so we're going to focus for the option that says continue here to Mailchimp app, and I'm going to focus for automations. Now automations, for example, is we aren't using the classic anymore. We're going to be using the journey builder that you can of course get started with an actual template. So every journey needs a trigger, and for a welcome sequence you can select the sign up form element that, for example, can be helping you to get started. So here, for example, this is the actual flow map. So for the sign up for your audience, this means the moment they enter the email on your site, the clock starts. So you can name this, for example, contact signs off here, and then I can create an actual email. So when a contact sign up here, I'm going to be sending them a welcome email. My subject will help to get you started every day as soon as possible, and actually this is how it actually works, right? Now our first action is to send an email. This should happen immediately. So email number one is the value delivery. So don't sell yet, just start the hello, deliver the goods, tell them what to expect into the next few days. This builds the actual trust. So adding the time delay, you don't want to spam them, you want to drag a delay or block. So if I add this step, for example, let's say for example let's go for time delay. So let's say that I delay this for just 1 hour and hit for save. So when somebody sign up for my account after the 1 hour delay, then we'll be receiving the actual welcome email. So basically here you can add conditional login. Here is where the automation gets smart. You're going to be going to split the path based into their behavior. If they opened the email, you're going to be sending them a deep dive into the actual brand. So for example here it says add a step, and you can go for this section that says rules, if and else. So the if and else, basically here I have the segment section that says contact details. Let's see, for example, this specific tag contact is tagged search for customer. There we go, and I can use a specific segment. So if the customer click or say yes to my specific mail, what I'm going to be doing here is to, let's say, send them another email. And this other email, for example, I'm going to be going here for welcome offer 10%. I'm going to offer them a 10% discount of their first purchase. And if they don't open that, what I can do is to encourage them, of course, to send another email. But for this, I'm going to be adding a time delay. Let's say, for example, from instead of 1 hour, I'm going to be going for 1 day. And the next day, let's say, for example, that I'm going to be sending a new step, which is sending another email. This is how it actually works, the actual element. Now, the email number 3 is your call to action. Now that you have given value, you can ask for the sale or for a consultation. For example, let's zoom out. You can look at the map, or if something or someone follows the yes path, they're a warm lead, and if they follow no, they stay into the general pool. So once you hit for turn on, basically you're actually good to go. Now it's going to be really important to tell you that the free plan does not come with this kind of element, so you must have an actual pay plan to get started with this element. So this might be taking a few elements for your budgeting. You can compare the actual plans, but you can try it out, for example, for free. So I think that the essential plan does a really great work, because this only costs, I believe, like $5 or $6 per month. You can get 100,000 monthly email sent. This for 3 users, 3 audiences, different audiences, and there's 24/7 context support, which I think is going to be really, really awesome. But if you try out the free version, you can always try out the send test email to see how it actually looks your own automation element. And if you don't know absolutely anything about the automations, there's always the flow templates, so you can see that there's a lot of elements that you can of course use without having to build them from scratch. For example, to get a welcome series, to get a welcome subscribers, to get an update contact from Google Forms, and so on and on and on. So with this being said, guys, hopefully you have reached into this brand new tutorial. Hopefully it was a pretty useful information for you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hopefully you can all see you guys next time.